Minista muviani wa useseei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen niwakanya Ateti yiulu kutumia enenthi kulua nduuthi na kwothotheea ithokoo aiweta kana nimeukomanw'a na miao. Ainene Nyandarua Murkomen ni wa maikithisia atongo ya useseei Mweenenthi mariesetikilia mbomano ciena ithokoo. Ben Mosao no kuelezea.
Minista muviani wa useseei wa nthini Kipchumba Murkomen no miokanya muvyukula kwi Ateti yiulu wa kwothotheea ithokoo aithingilila serikali ndinengane mwanya na wiva kuyala methitwe itina wa miatianio ina ithokoo.
We have challenges of late when it comes to public protests of political organizers inducing young people and misusing them to organize violent demonstrations. And as soon as they become violent, of course, they cease to be protests or demonstrations as expected by the Constitution.
Ainene akuya Nyandarua Murkomen aiweta vangithia na atwaisya mamiatianio ino ya wanangiko nimeukomanw'a na miao yivo kusikatiwa umamai kwa wanangiko wa mali ya Mweenenthi ovamwe na kuvithia isese cia polisi.
The law enforcement agencies have taken very firm action against those who burned property, burned vehicles, burned the police stations, destroyed property, and going forward, we believe that anyone who will be organizing protests or demonstrations as enshrined in our Constitution will have to work with the police officers, and they must act peacefully. As I said before, we will act decisively. We will charge everyone. I saw some people complaining somewhere yesterday that we are charging people with charges of terrorism. If you ban a police station, you ban government cars, whether it's county or national, you ban police office, you ban somebody's supermarket, there is no other charge that we can bring before the court. The best charge at that point in time is those related to terror, because that is exactly what you are doing.
Minista uyu ni wa maikithisia atongo imaki uteti useseei mwenu ila maithiwa maitwaisya miatianio indi kwa kwatia nzia ila ciailite.
Person who would like to have any rally, public baraza, as long as it's peaceful, the police will provide security, and it's important that they give the necessary notification. If they have given the notification, of course, we have absolute no issue with any person, any political party, any politician calling for a meeting. Just need them to notify the police, and they must ensure that their meeting is peaceful and does not lead to situations of disrupting the peace for others, or burning of property, or looting, or violence. The rest, with proper notification and commitment to observe peace, the police officers are always on standby to provide security for anybody who would like to exercise their freedoms under the Constitution in a peaceful manner. For all persons who have been arrested, not all persons who are arrested are taken to court. Okay, some are arrested, they record their statement, and the investigations continue until such time that they will get now an order from the court to appear before it for purpose of taking plea. So if there is any person not accounted for between arrest and charging, probably that person was arrested, recorded their statement, and further investigation is going on. I'm happy that they are following up and they know the numbers of the people who are taken to court. We can also provide that information in good time as National Police Service if anybody needs it.
Vilingi wa Mavomo Chongo TV, nyeni tawa Ben Mosao.